I think it looped in first, didn't it?
Yeah, but where's he going? Oh, I fucking did. No, this is too fucking big for that one. As you can see here, we're trying to get creative, trying to get the seats bearing out. Looked at a few YouTube videos, but we're no luck.
What if you go like that side and that side? Oh yeah? Turn the other one around? No, that was the right way actually.
Then you have to build from the outside.
Yes or no?
I don't know.
Yes or no?
I don't know.
You say yes or no?
Yeah, there's like a belt again.
I'll tap it. Yeah? You got the wheel?
Yeah, I got it.
Got it?
Let me see.
I don't know, is it a good idea or not? Am I on it?
Yeah.
No?
Shit.
Need to pull up. It's probably been heated up that much on there that might have to heat it up again.
Don't know how to explain you and shit.
Don't do unnecessary damage.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. So they'll go like that. And that. Yeah, see this one has more of a chance of that happening. This is, I think the other one's pretty good. This one's got more of a chance of that happening.
For sure, I feel it when you put the both bearings in. You better spin.
What I'd be doing is I'd be tapping one all the way home,
then slowly do it,
and then slowly do the other one and keep feeling for the play.
Where it moves.
Just like keep feeling the play in it.
Yeah.
2 little taps, that's what I'd be doing.
But then when you bolt things together, it's going to push it anyway, yeah?
I don't know.
New things, mate, new things.
Right, that's what we did.
It is. Definitely screwed, eh?
So that outer bearing sleeve was stuck in the tyre, in the rim. You've got these bad boys hooked in behind it. Put that hollow end there, in there, and I pushed it out like that, and then tapped it from the outside. So the Beefy's followers on his YouTube, that's how you get that out.
See his bearings, eh? Had to sand some of where the bearings came out, from what the wear it's had, clean it up, ready for the new bearing. Oh, there's a little bit of groove, but it is what it is.
It's not gonna destroy the bearing.
No, I'm pretty sure I got to that where it should be now.
Yeah, that's good, bro. The outer sleeve doesn't. It's just locked in anyway. And all the cleaning part happens in the middle. Yeah. Like that, see?
Yeah.
So that part actually doesn't count, it just does that.
Yeah.
How about you banging in quick?
You know if you're going, see there, it's on the piss.
It's already on the piss, straight right.
Down the hill, there you go.
Yep. Yeah, it's Eve Strata.
Righty, just bringing in the first bearing. Ready to switch over, put the sleeve in and do the other one. The other side bearing's in, put in the sleeve for the middle. Always make sure you put it in before you start bringing the other bearing in. Right here, when you're bringing the other bearing in, just make sure you got movement with the sleeve in the middle, just so it doesn't get squished in. They set it up, either use batter or a little bit of WD-40 as well.
If it's hard to get in. If it slides straight back in, then you're good to go. Like it's not a lubricant, it's just like it's going to go in easier kind of thing.
Yeah. So it looks like that spaces on this side. Oh. Flat nose. Weird.
Well, you had an issue with the space bit on that side for a second then.
He's like, what the fuck is he doing?
Do you remember, is the spacer go directional or anything?
Nah, I think it's just straight.
This.
Oh, I see something here.
Hold it up from there.
So?
Just hold it up from there, yeah. Go in, put the hook back on, push it in. Hang on with the, just wait. Right.
Roll back here.
Is this go a direction or just going to go in? Ready? I'll hold it and just push it.
Shit, but look at them.
Is that in the end?
I don't know.
I think it was in the end. It goes straight back in the end.
Fuck, that was easy.
It would have been tricky with one person, eh?
Well, that's why I didn't get down that we don't we?
Copy.
Yeah.
Oh, last night?
Yeah.
Was he around?
Oh, I rang him like probably at 4 o'clock. I'm like, oh, what are you doing? He says, Gash, I'm like, you want to come help me? So I was like, yeah, because I started doing this and it was on even. I'm like, I don't want to fucking. Because I could hold it on one side, but it was going the other way. I wouldn't be able to save it.
Yep.
So I was like, fucking, like, give me a hand plate.
Yeah. So this is. It's going to come off. Shit. Hang on. So it's going to fall. Was that tablecloth holding?
Yeah, no, I heard it. One side's fucked and that's it.
Yeah, that happens. That's the heavy pads. Those are little pistons.
Mm.
So you want to try and push them back through somehow. Got like a put it back together for a second.
We have a new show that we go up. That we talking about?
No, I figure out how to push the piston back into the caliper so we can get the new pads in. So I'm thinking if we put this back through like this, get something in between that, like a screwdriver, and just leverage it, because the pads are Doesn't matter if I scratch the pads because they're going anyways. I wonder if we should mount it. So there's two pistons?
Yeah, that's a zero.
But those both have to go back in.
It's far right out.
That's because the pads are worn.
So to the
You don't really need it on the top side, do you? Did you want it on the top side?
just get it up better. These actually
Can't see the camera, can't see past my arm.
We end up struggling here a little bit, trying to get the pistons stroked, end up using a bit of multi grips. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Ready for it? Yeah, that's it. Or I can just cover the bottom because that's the part you scratch up, and then just get the top on that lip together. Perfect.
Oh, no, no.
Let's see, it might not need it, might have enough stamp in it.
That's the top one, it's got itself.
Front one. It moves because we've moved it. Just a matter of getting it to move more. Can you push it on?
We'll better put something between there and try and push it.
If you get the back one all the way on to the disc, can you roll it around a little? Ready? So the back's got to go down first, Shane. Yep. Yep. Otherwise it won't lock into that locking.
In now.
Huh? Back one? Both have? I'll just wiggle it on now. Yep, perfect, keep going. Yep, you're in the spot over here. Push it in now. Yeah. All that cable ties in the way, you know, like, yeah. Go on. Cool. Push it forward and line it up.
Is it?
Does that piston move back in?
No, I'm just trying to find the two bolts.
No, the front one and back one are both pushed in.
Yeah, they're both pushed in there.
Yeah, sweet. That's what it's supposed to do. So a bit of a WD. A bit of persuasion.
Good.
Like you can get started with this one. I just don't want to cross thread.
Yeah, I'll just give you enough room.
The thread's good. See what I mean? Like you can thread it a bit more. Sweet. Do the top.
Just checking here that making sure she spins right and freely. A little worried about the noise it's making, but see what happens. A little bit of bubbling when you spin it, but I guess it fix itself.
It self-adjusts. Those little pistons, they just go like this.
Yeah.
The inside one doesn't actually move, it's the outside one that moves.
Yeah, it feels like.
You ready? Is it on? I told you to do it. I told you to do it. That's all you have to do, bro.
Right, then put the lid back on.
That's it.
Maybe adjust this tire.
As long as you hit the brake and it works, you're all good.
Yeah.
That rubbing noise might just be like a. That'll just be like initial film.
Yeah.
That's it. Done.
Okay.
Put this back on. G to G.
So this one's 58, the other side is 60.
There's a 2 mil difference. So we want to make sure these little knobs are in their little grooves. They are, and the front one.
Looks like it.
Look.
I think once it's come back, you spin it'll go into a knob anyway.
Yeah, as long as it's not sitting on top of one of those things, that's the main thing. That's the main thing, yeah, should be right now.
Should. That's one back.
Yep, just cut the belts moving the right way. Make sure it's loose enough so it doesn't take.
Make sure it's well big.
Keep moving, eh?
I should have marked it.
Where? Hang on, don't go too much. Measure it. That belt's pretty tight already.
It's like 50 cm.
Keep that up to 58 or whatever it was. So you want to split the difference, you both want them 59, don't you?
Because once I tighten up, this won't move, eh? No, it shouldn't move, eh?
That won't move. This locks it all together.
Yeah, so like once it gets in the right place, I just have to tighten it up, eh? Yeah.
But you got to do both sides adjustment first.
Yeah.
And that's the last thing you do is lock that in place. Then you measure off the. That's what it is. Did you measure off the flat either?
I did.
Yep, I go to the other side.
I fucked up when I was like, oh no, I didn't.
Did you do the other side? You're going to measure the other side.
Got to measure the other side. Shit, you're doing this for me, eh?
You like it?
I do. I enjoy it. Give something different, eh?
Mm-hmm.
What else have we done today? Gym.
Distracting yourself with things.
loose, eh?
Oh, that's really tight, eh?
Is it? Fucking way off, guys.
Too far?
You do it.
Yeah, I think this side's really tight. Messy this side again, because it might affect as well. So hang on, off the flat.
What's the name?
57, 57, 58, 79.
Put in a chatty last night, see the torque specs for it all.
How many Agaduggers?
Huh?
How many Agaduggers?
84, I guess that is.
85? Right. So, here at this one should be,
Okay, still.
well, they should be the same. 58 and 60.
Should just move it to 60 and like properly as it is.
Well, I'll take, maybe split the difference, take that one 59, bring this one 59. That's what I'd be doing.
So it should be same.
Should be the same.
Should be same, but different.
So this is 58.
I'll do 2 more times of this one, but this is the wrong one.
Well, bring them back to 60 and see how this belt feels.
Well, I'm at 59 now.
I'll do one over here.
I've got 58 minutes on tight on this side.
Huh?
58 minutes of tight on this side, eh?
Tighter.
Oh, I'll be in the bed for one now.
That means you loosen that side.
It's
60 be tighter.
That's 59 here.
So it's 60 tighter or 58 tighter?
I don't know. Like, you really can't tell this side because there's nothing to go on. Where's this side you got belt?
Yeah. So as you're tightening it, it's tensioning the belt.
Yeah, that's all.
So then that should be
59. On the first spot. Oh, but my 59. Fuck, I should do it. I'm doing off a point inside this side, so I should do it off a flat side, eh? So rear axle nut, 129 to 142 newton meters.
one what? 29?
To 142 newton meters.
So what do you want to be?
Alright. Better be on the fucking tighter side than the lower side.
Oh, you made it up?
Oh, not one side. Is it?
It's very tight. Newton meters, 140. Maybe back it up to 126 or something.
Put it in 120.
Is this thing even working?
Fuck, hold up. What's that?
Six.
Should be right.
I can go keep going if you want.
I gotta do it. Fuck it.
I don't know how to get one to do.
Alright, just get that next one done. You guys want that here? should give it a film, eh?
Yeah, that noise will go away. Ride your brake around the corner for a second, you'll be right. Take a layer off. Mine makes the same noise around the shed.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I just pushing it around, it makes a noise.
Well, that's feel it, don't they?
I think so, it looks like, except for the shroud.
Well, it's up and down that one.
I don't know if that should move like that, but
Both of them, both of them.
it still does its job.
Well, I tried this box, I could.
I'm not. Yeah.
I don't, like the same thing I know, I should really notice it before I take things apart.
I don't think it's something you look for.
No.
I'm just looking around, make sure there's nothing like no sleeve or something missing out there, but it looks to me like it's just rubber mounted and that's just what it does, yeah. But again, shed experts, not real experts. Go again. It doesn't affect its movement.
Soon find out when right now the running comes off. Yeah, we're on. So viewers done. Now on the front wheel leg.
Welcome back to the Two Bald Bikers. Hey, I got hair.
Yeah, no comment. What was the fuck is it? Oh, it's on the clips.
Where'd it go? Where'd it come from?
I'm not sure.
Oh, it's up there, the cable clip. Yeah. Okay, wrong. I don't know if we do this one first. It looks like we might do that one first. There you go. Oh, fuck's sake.
Yeah, how good is that do?
Talk spec, Allen key.
Oh, look at that. Run smoothly now.
No grinder noise.
Nah.
Did it make a grinder noise when you had it up in the air like this?
I did. But yet again, I actually didn't double check it, Russ.
You didn't?
No. I was like, how Ben I get it done?
Probably should get that bolt tightened before that locks in.
Oh, yeah. How many other dollars was that?
Front was
Where is the other dollar?
this.
Yeah.
What's the head for it?
20? Nope. Still got a smaller leader.
Big guy.
Oh, I think it's 24.
More.
24. Hold on.
What were the numbers?
What if that's something to fucking just up on this side too?
Grab a screwdriver. How's that caliper going? Oh, it's got, yeah.
Maybe up to that part, yeah, though. How many I could do this? Between 84 and 91.
84?
84 and 91.
So it's over 84 and it's below 98, so it's right in the range.
Spin filling.
Good job.
The caliper on.
How are we going to stop it now? Got the brakes on.
Yellow, mate.
Let's go. That just goes like that. How do you feel about working on your own bike now?
That's what I was doing in the years, but it's been a 2-day event.
You want Loctite on this?
Nah. 2 hours very nice. Same for ones.
Tell me front one. You're on.
Nah, so I can just pretty much dismantling it, take it off, take a run, see what happens.
Done? This is done, that's done, that's done.
Everything I do is the belt one, but I can do that later on. Still got muscles?
I think so. I'm going to try and get it to go this way, it doesn't even need stands on this side.
Well, that's me. I started doing it myself, and I was on one side. I'm like, if it goes the other way, I'm fucked.
Yeah, that way.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, because that's what I looked at when I went down. I was like, fuck, I need a hand, just get it up. Because I mean, like, it went one way I could save it, the other way I'm like,
Gone.
is what it is.
We'll just be ready. I'm going to do my best if it does anything, but it should just go forward. Because everything else is holding up. So.
Ready?
Yeah.
Huh?
I think I want to.
Do it, Buzzy. I'll take it tomorrow. So,
And I need to work.
Ready?
Does it drop down or does it pump down?
Go down a little bit quick.
Ready? Back on the stand.
Up. Yeah, right up, bro.
Oh, okay. This one?
Yeah.
For that, go back onto that bolt, it's going to cut around right next to yours.
Well, mate. Right brake. Yep. Rear brake.
That's your peg.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, looks like.
Huh?
Does work.
It doesn't?
Does. Yeah.
Is there much normal travel in it? Yeah. Yeah, sweet, cool. I'm glad you found that noise though. If it wasn't a bearing, it wasn't brakes. Well, there's nothing left in the there's nothing left in the front end to do, is it?
No, like then go. Oh, the only other thing was that the top end bushing, the bearing. Yeah. But like you would have made the noise if I turned it. It wasn't making the noise there.
That's right. Yeah. I'd like to say let's make coffee plans for tomorrow, but last time it took us 3 days to repair your bike.
Huh?
Last time we made coffee plans, it took us 3 days to repair your bike.
Yeah.
Check out the contraption you come up with to hang it off the roof. Pretty smart if you ask me. I mean, you got to do what you got to do sometimes, right? Like, I do the same thing. Got the job done.
Stop.
Stops?
Yeah. Feels a lot tighter than the front end now.
Mind over matter or it actually feels better?
No, it feels like it feels a lot tighter though, like in a good way.
Yeah, cool. It probably would because your last bearing was flat.
Yeah, and like when I was watching the video when I was filming it, like you'd see the tyre move. So
It would have plane it because that bearing flat.
yeah. So stops. Like it's little Harley brakes, like they don't stop on a dime.
No better, no worse than before though?
A lot better. Like it stops a lot better than last time before.
The rears?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Well, pretty bad.
So. Yeah.
Look at the last set of rears. Look at that.
Nothing.
Well, you had something there, but I wouldn't
Classify heaps.
say it was a lot. So you got much more now than what you had before.
Compared to what it is.
Bro. But class that is nothing pretty much, eh?
Same here.
Yeah.
So I took them apart, I was like, oh god.
Yeah, look at that.
Even the wear on it.
Cool. Job done. Cheaper than a shop service. Just takes longer.
Takes longer. I got footage. I showed it when I got a footage of it when I first got apart.
That's what's left of the day.
Yeah. That's when I started pulling apart, it was just destroyed. I was like, oh,
Found the problem.
found the problem. Pretty wild though.
That is wild, man.
So I always back to 7 like that. I'm glad we went to the right person if I can help us get it out.